Good morning dear student, welcome to the virtual class. Today we will discuss about the chapter number first in geography. The name of the chapter is our environment. So class, come to this picture. What does it picture show? Picture shows to you like the trees, river, flowers as well as the clouds and the sunny time. Means जो भी चीज़ें हमें हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में दिखाई देती हैं, हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में दिखाई देती हैं, मीन्स जिन भी चीज़ों से हम सराउंड्स करते हैं, हमारे आसपास नज़र आती हैं, दे ऑल आर कम अंडर द एनवायरनमेंट. फाइन. So class, we will start it with the page number 111 in your book. Environment means to surround. It includes both living means abiotic and non-living means abiotic things around us. Means your environment refers to the various physical and social condition in which people live. It includes, इसके अंदर हमारे पास क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है? एयर, वाटर, लैंड, बिल्डिंग, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज as well as flora and fauna and the human being, they all are interrelation related to each other. ये सभी एक दूसरे से relate करते हैं. So class, now come to the next point, that is the environment. So class, on the basis of your environment is classified into the three parts. These are natural environment, human made environment and the human environment. Means natural means that is made by the nature. Fine. Now the next one is human made, means the things which are made by the human being, and the human means human itself, means it includes the family, community, religion, all these. So one by one we will discuss about each of them. So now come to the first point, that is the natural environment. So students, what we include in the natural environment? Natural environment means the things which we get from the nature. जो भी चीज़ें हमें नेचर से मिलती हैं, they all come under the natural environment, like water, air, land and all living things. So water means hydrosphere, air means atmosphere and land means lithosphere. So land, air and water, these all are the abiotic things. Abiotic means which cannot survive, means जो things which do not breathe and grow. Now come to the next, that is the living things, means the things which grow as well as breathe, like the plants, human beings, animals, birds, microorganisms, सारे छोटे छोटे जो जीव जंतु होते हैं, they all are come in the living things. So these living things also known as biotic resources. Fine. Now come to the next point, that is the human made environment. So students, what do you mean by the human made? Human means the things that are made by the human, like the buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments and the industries all have play an important role in the life. So this is the interaction between the physical things and the biological things, means obviously the biological and the physical, all the things are interrelated to each other. Fine. Now come to the next point, that is the human environment. Human environment, as you all know that beta, over a period of time our society has grown, and so as well as the society grown, so that's why human needs will also be grown. So earlier हमारे human being live a very simple life and fulfill all their requirement from the nature से करते थे, but to fulfill his need, जैसे जैसे उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी और नीड्स बढ़ती चली गई, उसके बेसिस पर मैन हैज़ कैरिड आउट हिज एक्टिविटीज़. ठीक है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस द ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट इंक्लूड द इंडिविजुअल, family. Now it comes into the community, different religion, educational like in schools, economical as well as the political situations. They all are come including the human. मीन्स देखिए, अगर आप एक फैमिली में हैं दैट मीन्स देर आर द ह्यूमन बींग्स. अगर आप एक कम्युनिटी में रहते हैं तब वहाँ पर भी ह्यूमन बींग्स होते हैं. रिलीजन, आप किसी भी धर्म से बिलोंग क्यों ना करें, बट देयर विल बी द पीपल, वहाँ पर भी पीपल होंगे. एज वेल एज एजुकेशन, मीन्स एजुकेशन किसको दी जाती है, स्टूडेंट्स को. तो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स कम अंडर द ह्यूमन बींग. फाइन. सो क्लियर अबाउट दिस, ऑल द ह्यूमन बींग्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. सारे के सारे ह्यूमन बींग ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज में ही आते हैं. Now come to the point, that is the biotic and the abiotic. So class, we just differentiate here. What do you just see in the biotic environment? आप biotic environment में क्या क्या चीज़ें देख रहे हैं? You just see here dog, childrens, as well as plants, grasses. All this see you here. ये सारी चीज़ें किस में इन्वॉल्व होती है, बिकॉज दे ऑल ब्रीथ एज वेल एज ग्रो. ये सब ब्रीथ भी करते हैं एंड ग्रो भी करते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई दीज ऑल आर कम अंडर द बायोटिक थिंग्स. नाउ कम टू द अबायोटिक. व्हाट डज यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर बेटा? बायोटिक की साइड पर आप कौन कौन सी पिक्चर्स नज़र आ रही हैं? लाइक द सोफ़ा, ठीक है, आपको डोर, ये सब चीज़ें जितनी भी हैं, बुक शेल्फ, ये सब चीज़ें जो हैं बेटा, दे ऑल आर कम इन द अबायोटिक. मीन्स दीज आर ओनली द फिज़िकल थिंग्स. ये सभी क्या हैं, आपकी फिज़िकल थिंग्स हैं, जिसके अंदर आपका एयर, वाटर एंड लैंड भी आते हैं. एज वेल एज आपके लिविंग थिंग्स, जो भी आपके घर में, नॉन लिविंग थिंग जो भी आपके घर में अवेलेबल हैं, दे ऑल आर कम अंडर द अबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज. So students, in this video we have discussed about the different components of the environment, means the natural environment, human made environment, as well as the human environment. In the next video we will discuss about the domains of the earth as well as the ecosystem. So take care and read the chapter carefully. Bye bye.